In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the auto missed call text back feature. This is a simple way to turn the incoming phone calls into text conversations. So for example, if a client calls into your business on the textable phone number that we previously created, the system will be able to recognize that you missed that call and immediately send a text back to save that lead and save that business. So in order to set this up, all we have to do is come over and click on Settings. And from here, we're gonna scroll down, and on this missed call text back, we just check Enable Missed Call Text Back. And from here, anytime somebody calls in and we miss the phone call, it'll say, "Hi, this is," and it'll fill in your business's name, or you can go through and customize this. "I saw that we just missed your call. How can I help?" And you can easily customize this text however you'd like. And then once you're done, just click on Saved Missed Call Text Settings. And that's it. That's all you have to do.